Hi guys, Ryan from Code Ninjas here, and in this video we're going to teach you how to create your first HTML file. So here we have Visual Studio Code and Chrome. We installed Visual Studio Chrome in the previous video, and so what we're going to do is go to File, New File, and we're going to save that file as, and then pick a good spot for this. For me, I've got a file in which we're doing all the videos, so I'm just going to throw it in there, but you can pick a good spot for yourself. All right, and then we're going to call this file Lesson 1, and we're going to go ahead and make sure we save it as HTML. All right, so save. And here we go. We have our file. Now, if we go to our folder that we saved it and we open up the page, you will see a blank page. So, congratulations. That's all that we had to do. So what we're going to do, in the tradition of most computer science tutorials, is we're going to do a hello world. So we're just going to write the text, hello world, and then we're going to save the file. So to save it, we go up to File and hit Save. Now, this will be the last time you see me do that, because saving often is important, and you can see the hotkeys here as Control S. So in the future, when I say I'm saving the file, I'm just hitting Control S on the keyboard. Okay, so we have our file saved. We're going to go over here and refresh it, and we can see we now say hello world. So congratulations, you have now made your first web page. Now you may be asking me, Ryan, that's really simple. That's all we have to do? Well, no, there's a little bit more. And to start you off, we're going to learn about trees in the next video.